But how? Let's go and see. We need our round nose pliers and we mark at the diameter of about 4 millimeters, and we need this part. So pick up your 20 gauge wire, make it a little straight, and then put it between the two pliers and make a loop. You wrap this wire one time and you have a loop with the diameter of 4 millimeters. And for the second round, just wrap it beneath the first one and continue making another loop just at that 4 millimeter that you had marked, and continue that for the third round. Each time push it up a little so that you could wrap the wire at that point. Then cut this wire out just in front of the starting point, and if it's difficult, just open it up a little, cut it out, then you could squeeze it with chain nose pliers and there's no worries. You could squeeze it in every direction, just check it out in each view of point and squeeze it very gently. Be careful not to ruin the shape, and make another one. So we have two wire coils till now, and we are going to attach them together. Open up one of them at one side. I'm using round nose pliers to control it better, and open one of those loops and then insert it into the other wire coil. Now I'm going to roll it. So I'm using round nose pliers to do that better. If it's needed, you could use your hands, and then here I need to squeeze it so that wire loops be inside the wire coil. When every three of those loops are inside, we are done. I squeeze it a little with chain nose pliers and check it out at every direction. And now we have two wire coils inside each other. I put it on the table and press it down with the plastic part of my tool, or you could use a nylon mallet too. Do that very well till so that both wire coils are pressed down. So we have another one that I'm going to add it to the previous ones. So I open it up a little at one side, just like we did before, and rotate it with round nose pliers so that the third one will be inside the second wire coil. Whenever it's needed, squeeze it a little and be sure that all of those three wire loops are inside. Then continue that till the end. When you're done inserting the third wire coil, again check it out and squeeze it to have a healthy wire coil in, and again press it down with your tool. Every two wire coils that are inside each other should have a free space in between, and you put the tool and press it down at that point. Now we have three of these wire coils. The first and third one are in one direction and the other one at the other. Now you need the length, and the length is your finger size. You could just pick up a paper tape, wrap it all around your finger, and when they start and ending point meet each other, you could unwrap it, and this is the length you need. So I'm going to add another wire coils to achieve this size. So another wire coils are in, and I've done making enough wire coils, and let me check it out all around my finger, and yes, this is almost okay. You could add another one, or to be better fit, just attach the last wire coil to the first one. So just insert it into the first wire coil after you've opened it up, and just roll it with round nose pliers. And the challenge here is at the same time this wire coil should be inside the one before two. I mean, it should be inside two wire coils. So just be careful so that the wire coil won't be extracted out of one of them. And whenever it's needed, just squeeze it a little to be inside. So I roll it till the end. Just make sure all of those three loops are inside, and adjust it a little more. Now you have wire coils inside each other, and for the last one, just press it down with your chain nose pliers. Just put it between and press it down. Now let me test it out. It would be something like this. Well, very beautiful, and I love it. You could make it a little more comfortable, and I will let you know in short videos. And let me go to the jewelry box and see which earring is a set with this wire ring. Well, this one is one of the best choices, and also this stud earring in silver, but I could make it in brass too, and I think they are adorable. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.